Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of timer not working on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve timer not working on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat app. Here in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. You can don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.